To make delicious buttermilk base pancakes, you will need 1 cup of buttermilk, half a cup of hot water, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of sugar, pinch of salt, half a teaspoon of baking powder. Beat the egg with sugar and salt. Add hot water to buttermilk, mix it and add it to eggs. Mix it all together. Start adding the flour little by little. The dough should not be too thick or too thin. Add the baking powder quenched with vinegar. Mix it all together. If you think you need to add more flour, add it now. Mix it until it's smooth and has no lumps. To cook this kind of pancakes, you will need to use oil. The more oil you will use, the fluffier they will be. If you use less oil, they will be more flat. I will use about 4 tablespoons of oil. Cook them on a medium to low heat. When almost all surface of a pancake is covered with bubbles, you can turn them over. These amazing pancakes are crispy from outside and fluffy inside. Serve them for breakfast with sour cream, Nutella or sweetened condensed milk, or your favorite berries. Delicious! If you don't like to use oil, try to make milk-based pancakes which do not require oil for cooking. I will leave the link below. Also, you can try almond flour pancakes for healthier option. The link to this video below as well. Thank you for visiting Katya's Kitchen. Come back again for simple and delicious recipes.